Right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another car episode, another car talk. I'm going to say, literally going off the basis of the other video I did earlier on in the week, even though I'm not entirely sure when this one's going to drop, but check out the previous video if you haven't. Thought I'd show another collection that I've literally just picked in. As I said, I'm in the process of buying a collection. It's about 1,100 models. I'm not allowed to buy it all in one go. It's literally what's put out for me, take it or leave it. So I said I made 2 trips yesterday. This is the loose stuff. The box stuff is going to be in another video. I've actually been back there this morning buying stuff. And yeah, I've not even made a dent in it. So it's unbelievable, and some real rare things as well. I said these are some of the loose, condition-wise, lovely. You know, the most worn model is that Solido here, which is still in pretty damn good condition. You know, a little bit of play with it, as to be expected. But I'm actually going to start with the Mebetoys, which are so damn rare and also so damn expensive. And now there's a bunch of these all mint boxed. They've been selling off the eBay store pretty quick last night. But look at this Lancia, you know, it's a 60s toy. That sort of condition, that's a couple of £100 for a loose model. I know, crazy, right? Beautiful though, there's no other word for it. So it does have the opening trunk, opening hood. That's pretty nice. French Dinky. So I'm not going to literally just take you through every car and do a quick pass by through them, because I know they are, you know, it's nice to see them, especially for those looking at them to their collection and you want to see a closer version. You can't always see off pictures. And yes, all of these are for sale currently. Yeah, that's lovely, CIJ. And now I'm skipping the cube. There is another CIJ over here as well, the Renault Fluoride, which shame's got damaged window. Apart from that, it's lovely. So it needs a new screen, which you can get reproductions, or you could buy a battered one really, and if it's got a good screen, add that on. It's got the steering wheel, it's only a clip, so not that hard to do really. It said Marlin, look at that BMW. Now this is the era, if you ask me, where Marlin's gone from the more solid, sturdy cars to adding more details. They feel a bit more, well, they don't feel as heavy as the strong, but the details there, like this 1800 GT, you know, that's nice. Working suspension, wing mirrors, dual headlamps, near mint condition. I said these cars he's had from new, so most of them have just been on it, well, displayed really in cabinets. They were, so there might actually be original boxes coming for these, because a lot of the stuff I'm taking, and I've got to match the boxes up with it. Just look at that, another Marlin, of course, with the pop-up headlamps, which is pretty cool, which you activate them by doing that back thing there. It's a nice little feature. I like that. That's cool. So there's a Solido we touched base on already. Slightly more modern is a Tomica Dandy. Again, these are quite desirable, especially with the earlier Japanese cars. I said I've also bought back to their big collection, these mint boxed, all like the Skylines, loads of Toyotas, some real special stuff. They're all over the 143 to 47 scale. So nice for display, very nice. Good detail. Nice car indeed. So just look at some of these. Again, Marlin, Ford. So this is unusual as well, because it's got the rivet on the back but a screw on the front. But this is how all of them are. So I did do a bit of research, so you can tell the paint is totally original. It's never been messed around with. That's pretty awesome. And then we're going into the Israeli cars, as I like to say them. You know, some of the stuff, the Kragston ones, the big old American cars. That's a 68 GTO. That's nice. So they're 68, 67, round about that era. That's awesome. Next to that, we got the Corgi Lamborghini. You'll always find this car in yellow. There's probably about a 10 to 15 yellow ones to every silver one. You just don't see it as often. I think this, well, compensates it a bit better, suits it. Of course, this wouldn't have come with a bull figure. It was a separate individual model. Now we're going back to the Marlin, the Porsche 910. You know, very similar to the Corgi 330 Le Mans Porsche. So this is quite nice. I got that. I don't know if I can do any more than a GoPro. There we go. Little pop-up doors. Nice little feature. Again, Marlin, desirable. Going back to the Israeli cars. The Gamble core ones. Just look at that. Firebird. It's beautiful. So the colouring on them, and I love as well. I don't know if you can make it up there. The slight different colour of that door. That's the way it would have been sprayed. And it said just fitted, so not the quality as Corgi or Dinky. Some more Japanese models, the Lamborghini Countach. I'm a 90s kid growing up. This is all I wanted. It was one of these. Got the Playboy decal on the hood there. Again, pop-up lights on this one. Nice little feature. Let's do it with my thumb. There we go. More Israelis. Chrysler Imperial. That's pretty neat. Whenever you think of something like that, whenever I think of an Imperial, I always think the Green Hornet car. The Sabra ones again. Yeah, these very desirable. You just don't see them. And not as strong castings. They do get damaged pretty easy. Techno MGA. Gotta love the Techno Denmark stuff. That's pretty neat. Then we got Techno again. NSU R080. You know, that rotary baby. Hard to find in that colour as well. You don't see, I think I've got the only one on eBay currently. There is one boxed actually, telling a lie. There's a box one on there which is quite pricey, so this is a nice alternative. Conditions, lovely, you know, turning steering on the front, fully working suspension, opening doors, some nice casting. Right next to it we've got another gold one. So look at that Benz, of course by Mebetoys. It's got the hood crest as well. 220 SE. That's nice. Of course Corgi done this casting, Dinky done this casting. But that is lovely. Said opening hood. As much as it can go, you can just see the engine in there. That's a rare model. Very rare model. And we're going back to the Solidos. Got the Fiat. Just see the tilting seats inside. Nice little option. Of course you've got the opening doors, two-tone roof, slight box rub. No damage, working suspension. Great model. Solido Alfa Romeo. Another great model. Just look how clean that base is. So this is so, well, it's mint. For a loose model, it is mint. I'm confident I'm going to say, and I probably will have one of the best collections of Italian, French, Japanese models currently for sale, because there's hundreds and hundreds of this stuff to come. So I'm feeling very blessed. Someone is looking down on me up there. Again, that's an early one. Just look at that Mercury Maserati. Very, very heavy model. Of course, back in the day when the screws are correct, that's how they were. They didn't used to have rivets. Look how well made these are. You can open the hood. Just look at that in there. Nice 3500 GT. Great model. Again, working suspension. Works on all four corners. That's a beauty. I almost want to jump straight to that one, but I'm not gonna. That Simca is gorgeous. Oh, there we go. Throwing cars around. That's another Mercury. That's lovely as well. Fulvia Coupe. So the early Lanciers. Gorgeous models. Really, really nice. So that's a stunner. Looked after again with the suspension. I will just say, for the viewers in concern, it only pushed it out the way. The BMW is still in pretty damn good condition. Right, let's get to it. I told you I was sat by this car. I just wanted me to go near it. Just look at that Simca. Lady still in there. That's awesome. There's a lot more of this 100 series as well coming. I know this there. Mint box as well. More of the blue cards. There's some special stuff in there. And let's finish. Well, no, we got two more to go actually. Let's go to the other Solido. The Alfa Romeo in the white. Very, very rare in this colour white. Condition is second to none on it. It's gorgeous. Sadly, missing the figure, which lets it down ever so slightly. But that's not to worry. I'm sure one will turn up. As you can see, that's nice white rivets on it, correct. Because I thought, when you look at it first, it looks a bit restored, but it's not. That's actually just the finish of it. That's a nice model. And here we go, let's finish up with the Politoys. The Ferrari. Well, that is another nice casting. Said opening trunk, opening hood, working suspension, dual headlamps, good chrome bumpers, very near mint conditions. Look at the shine on that. So it doesn't even look to have a paint chip on it. Number 504, it's been in the 60s. Again, screw bases on these. That's spectacular. So what's your favourite out of all these guys? You'll have to let me know in the description. Edel is mine. I think that's the way we pronounce it anyway. You just don't see them, I'll be honest. So to stumble across loose ones and box ones that I have, it's pretty damn spectacular. But I hope you've enjoyed this little video. I said the eBay link is in the description. My Facebook for the shops page is in the description. I said I'm getting hundreds and hundreds of models in each week. So there's going to be something for everybody. Competitive priced. I'm not going to go on the selling thing. Just enjoy this video. That's what it's about. And we'll catch up in the next one, guys. Take it easy.